So we start off today's video with this gorgeous bob haircut transformation. The stylist is mixing in a lot of texture with this bob through the use of the razor. Wow, absolutely stunning. Beautiful bottleneck bangs and with the bob texture as well. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. Now it looks like this bob has a nice angle. Beautiful longer bangs on one side versus the other. Gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with long hair. Looks like the stylist is adding in some bangs for this particular hairstyle. Cutting just a little bit of length in the back. And if you are looking for a quick and easy way to freshen up your hair, bangs are a great addition without doing anything too major. This is absolutely stunning. Loving the hair color she has as well as the waves. Beautiful. And then we move into a transformation by one of my favorite stylists. Looks like she did a pixie cut with some bangs. Very nice. Loving this fresh, choppy style pixie. Beautiful layers throughout. Side swept bangs. Gorgeous. And then we have a bob haircut and makeover. Ooh, very nice tassel bob style. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a hair color switch up. So it looks like she has some grown out blonde hair here. Absolutely stunning. The color looks so fresh. Beautiful waves added as well. Gorgeous dimensional tone throughout. Nice mix of low lights and highlights with that one. And then we have another bob haircut. So this is once again one of my favorite stylists. And we already saw a bit of a preview of this one, so she's going to be doing a dramatic bob. Oh, she's actually doing a pixie bob style. This is absolutely gorgeous. Pixie bobs typically feature longer hair in the front, or you could also classify that as just a longer pixie as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, you can check out this one next.